Hey guys, welcome back to another mukbang. Today I'm going to be doing the funnel fries that I spoke about in one of my previous videos. These funnel fries, they come from Checkers, and I'm I'm sure that they're made out of funnel cakes, but they are in a French fry form and they have powdered sugar on them. I spoke about them, like I said, in a previous video as I tasted them, and they were really good. They didn't put much in my little carton the last time, so I bought two, but this one seemed to have a nice amount in both of them. But without further ado, I'm going to say my grace. Amen. I also have me some flaming hot chicken. I wanted some flaming hot chicken, so I made me two leg quarters. It's small leg quarters, but two small leg quarters of flaming hot chicken. This seems to be really juicy. And I just wanted the funnel fries. Like I said, I wanted to come back and do a video of the funnel fries. I bought my boyfriend, I got him a smoky barbecue bacon big Buford meal. And since he's not here, I want to drink his soda. So I ordered me a cherry Coke. I love cherry Coke. Don't drink soda often at all. This soda's not really good for, well, ain't nothing really good for us. But I'm going to drink this cherry Coke today and enjoy it. Have my little heater going on behind me. 1 minute I'm hot, 1 minute I'm freezing cold. So it's a heater and a fan. And all day long I'm clicking from heat to fan, heat to fan, heat to fan. These are really, these things are so good. Probably won't eat, I don't know if I want to eat both, since there's enough in here. Believe it or not, when she took me and Tanya, we got them, we got them the Saturday before Thanksgiving, because we went to a pre-Thanksgiving dinner. And when she was telling me about it, we went right past Checkers. I said, I'm not able to, get in and try it. It had about 5 in there. I was so mad because it was so good. Mm. These things are good, y'all. Try them. Some Checkers. And they're called funnel fries. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. These things are good. Um, Also on one of my videos, the same video I was just speaking about when I spoke about these, I spoke about I haven't uploaded that video yet, but by the time you see this one, by the time you see this video, that video would have already been uploaded. But I spoke about landlord and tenant court. I supposed to went to court on November 30th. Today is December 2nd, 2020. My court date was canceled because of this pandemic starting back up again. We're back in phase 1. So it was canceled. I so wanted to go and get this over with. But I did get my letter for notary. I'm approved to become a notary. So I got my email a few days ago And after 7 to 10 business days, or after 8 to 10 business days, I have to call the court to make sure my commission is there so I can go get sworn in. Then after that, I'm going to order my stamp and there's something else. I don't want the seal. I don't think I really need a seal thing. I'd rather have a stamper. I need to order the notary book. But I need to take this course from, there's a few people on YouTube offering courses for notary. And when you read when you go online to the website, it says it's really not necessary. I mean, it says it's helpful to have some other type of trainer, but not actually necessary. You don't need it. For me, I think you do, because that's a lot of documents that we're going to be dealing with when I do become a signing agent. Right now, I'll be just a notary, so becoming a signing agent is another part to it. But I still think having a course would be good, because you're not familiar with the documents that you're going to be notarizing. And then when you do, you need to be able to talk to the client to, like, let them know what they're signing. Like when you hand them a sheet and you're like, well, this sheet is for such and such and such, and this sheet is for such and such and such, and you sign here, initial there. You need to be, I would want to be familiar with the forms. I remember when I bought my house, when I had my house, I remember someone going over that stuff with me. So I just think it's way more helpful and it's way more professional to know the documents that you're presenting to someone. Because when you're signing your name on these papers and stuff, it's a little scary. When you're coming in, you sit down, you sign all these documents and stuff, and you don't really know what's going on. So it's best to be familiar with it to make your client or clients feel, more at ease and more comfortable with that signing process. So anyway, around December 10th, I'll be calling to see if they got my commission so I can go and get sworn in. And we're gonna go from there. For me, it's gonna be a slow process because of money. Everything costs money. I have to take a test to become a signing agent, and I think that test is like $180 some. The course I want is about $500. Then the tools I have to buy, like I need a 2-tray printer that print legal paper, print legal and regular letter size. Ink. Like I said, my stamper. My notary book, my receipt book. I need some stuff. I need some things. So it's gonna take me a while before I get everything together. But it's a process, and it'll work out. Tax time is right around the corner, so it'll work out. Yep. But I guess I'm going to eat them. Maybe I should eat my chicken. But instead I leave. Well, the video is definitely about the. These are so good. There's so much going on. I be well, every time somebody posted our neighborhood bulletin, I spoke about our neighborhood bulletin before, and it's just not for this neighborhood I live in. It's like for a surrounding area here in PG, in Fort Washington. It's not just for Fort Washington. It's for different parts of Maryland. Because I see people posted from Akakeek and other places in Maryland, but I forgot what is it. I can't remember the name of the community, but they spotted a bear. So it's bears somewhere in Maryland running around. Another sighting was Fort Washington Park, and I'm sure that's not far from here. Copperhead snake, and copperheads are venomous. Those are venomous snakes, poisonous. I mean, venomous. And they spotted the copperhead in the park. Another one had a picture of a chicken running around loose in their yard. I guess that got away from wherever it was, the farm or wherever it was living on. And so I'll be uploading maybe a picture of the chicken running around. If not a video, it's like 3 pictures that they put up. And they got the picture of the copperhead. Of course, they didn't get the picture of the bear, because when you see a bear, I doubt you're gonna just stand there and snap a picture. First thing you're trying to think of is like, are you really seeing what you think you're seeing? And trying to get away. And the bear probably trying to get away from you too. But yep, so they're saying there's bears in Fort Washington somewhere. At Fort Washington Park, well, I've never been there. It's a copperhead snake. They're bald eagle family, but I believe to live somewhere over by Fort Washington Park, because people are starting to see the American bald eagles regularly now when they go walk their dogs and stuff at Fort Washington Park. That's another thing, like when you have your pets and you walking your pets, you let them loose, to let them run free a little while, let them stretch their legs and just run these the background. It's kind of scary knowing that a snake like that could be looking around, because you know how animals get, they're curious. I don't have any pets, but they're curious. You wouldn't want them to get bit. Now, I've seen on YouTube a lady that lived in South Carolina. I forgot what part. Florence, I think. She had this little bed of hay and pumpkins and stuff, and like a little a Halloween or Thanksgiving exhibit, like on the lower part of her house, not up on the porch, but down on the lower part of the porch, on the side of the step. And now she was going to clean it out to start her Christmas decorations, and she got bit on the foot by a copperhead, a baby copperhead. And as she was, I guess, trying to turn away, it was about to bite her again. And because she felt this throb. She knew she got bit by something because she felt the throb, and it was about to bite her again. And she got to screaming, so the neighbor came there, ended up killing it. It was a baby copperhead, so if it was a baby, the adult is somewhere near, or adults, and probably other ones. I don't know how many eggs the snakes hatch at one time, but I'm sure it's more than that one. Wherever they hide, they probably hiding under her porch. She had one of those porches that your house set up over the porch, and it's underneath of it is a space, and they have that little like wooden fence-like thing. Sometimes they be white, sometimes they be brown or whatever color, but it's crisscross, and you got these like little diamond-shaped holes in it. So might be hiding up under there, and we're back up in there. This gotta be careful. I don't really like a lot of woods from wooded areas. And see, I don't know if she got woods in the back of her house. I didn't see any woods. I didn't know we had no poisonous snakes here. Somebody bought that snake here. Bought them here. And these things get loose, so they put them up. Crazy. I ate them both. I ordered Uber Eats. And me with my crazy self. I was doing something, looking at the app, looking at something on my phone recently. And I was reading it was something about Overpass. Meaning like you can get free delivery. And if you order something over $15 from wherever you order from, you can get a discount on that. There's a certain percentage off. And I'm always doing something. That's one of my biggest issues. I'm forever doing something and doing too many things at one time. I hit the button and bought the pass. I'm in there trying my best to cancel this thing. It wouldn't let me cancel it. It turned on an automatic switch so you can renew it monthly. It's $25, so you can renew it monthly. So I just went there and turned off the automatic renewal so it won't renew. I don't order out to eat often. I ended up, well, this is the second time I ordered using it. I'm just trying to use it some, but I definitely didn't mean to do it. But y'all try them funnel fries and eat them while they're hot. They're really good when they're hot. I don't know how they taste when they're cold, but I can't imagine them being this good. So I'm probably going to close this video out because I didn't want it to be that long. I just wanted to basically come, excuse me, and show. I always get the sniffles now when I'm online. When I come on camera. I don't be doing this when I'm off camera. As soon as I come on camera, I got the sniffles. My nose like it's closed. But this is my flaming hot chicken. Just made 2 flaming hot leg quarters. They small. And I'm going to eat these. And I'm going to lay back and look at some TV and just relax a bit. I'm hurting, of course, as usual. Nothing new about that. Well, that's how it is. I deal with it. But, yeah. I'm going to let you guys go because I don't want to make this video too long. So, guys, try those funnel fries. And when you do, when and if you do, or if and when you do, let me know down in the comments how you like them. Again, they come from Checkers, and they're called funnel fries, and they are delicious. So, leave me a comment if you try them. And thanks again, and as always, for coming to my videos, coming to watch my videos and watching them in full. I really do appreciate you guys, and happy holidays to you. I'll be back soon with another mukbang, of course, and to hopefully have some more something about my more information about my court date for the landlord and tenant court, and if I have already went to be sworn in for my notary, you know, more information on the progress of it. So, this is the V, which is me, and I am signing out. I'll see you guys in the next video or mukbang, and thanks again for watching.